Can YouTube channel help you to get the copywriting client or not? So this video is all about YouTube channel, right? So this video is only for those people who wants to become a copywriter, and they are thinking that I understand that right now I have to promote my business in the form of social media. So can I start my YouTube channel? Can I sell my services with the YouTube channel or not, right? So this video is going to be very informative. I will request you guys to please watch this particular video full. Okay, so what you need to understand is that first, why we create videos, right? We create videos to provide information, to entertain people, to tell them about something, to make sure that they are reacting to that particular video, right? Whenever we want to help somebody, we try to make sure we are recording the video. Sometimes nowadays we also seen that some people will share their birthday wishes through the video only, right? So this is the way we are in digital marketer kind of a generation right now, right? We seen ad each and every day. Whenever you use Facebook, whenever you use Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, each and everywhere YouTube videos is there, and videos is obviously we can able to see that everywhere, right? So why you need to be in YouTube? Because instead of having blog, if you are recording the video, that video will definitely help you to get people understand what exactly the work which you are doing, right? Because sooner or later you need people to understand what you are doing. Nowadays you don't care about the people. Nowadays you're thinking that I don't care about my friends, what they are thinking about the copywriting. I don't need anybody's help. But in the future, to run your business, you need their help, right? You need them to help you, right? You need their reference, you need their guidance, you need their advices, so that sooner or later they buy from you, they buy the services from you, they refer you to their friends and family, so that you can get the business each and every month. Coming the business will are business are coming from them only, right? So if you are having the video, in that time you will have a great connection. Because whenever, just think about it, whenever you write a post in LinkedIn and in blog, more and more people wants to be connected with you in video, because in video they are watching you very easily. They are seeing you what exactly the thing which you are doing, how you are shaking the things over here, how you talk, how you give example, how you behave, right? How you take care of each and everything now and then, right? That's how it is. So that's why video is always a great platform to start your copywriting journey. If you want to sell the copywriting services, what you need to do, you need to learn copywriting and share whatever you learn through the video. I'm not saying you to become an expert. This tragedy that you need to become an expert, then only you can say, it's very wrong. But that is also wrong, that you are not doing anything and you are sharing the particular message by watching somebody else's video, and you are telling all the people that these are the things which we need to do, these are the things which we should not do, right? So that's why whenever you have a YouTube channel, you have additional advantage, and that advantage is going to make you a good copywriter. People will watch your video, they will understand, okay, Shivam is doing this particular thing. Okay, we need to connect with him. If we need any, kind of ad, let's say if I need Facebook ad, definitely I will contact the Shivam. If I need landing page, Instagram ad, I will definitely contact the Shivam. Why? Because he created so many videos where he share directly, indirectly that he do that particular thing. So I think Shivam is the number one person to whom I need to reach out for this particular thing. So that is the only reason. This thing only help you in YouTube. But you need to understand that YouTube is not a small game, it's a long-term game. You need to create videos for a longer period of time. So if you are able to do that, definitely you can able to sell your product and services through the YouTube. So I will request you all guys to make sure whenever you are in YouTube game, make sure you spend your 5 to 10 years in this particular game. If you feel anytime you don't want to continue like this, definitely quit the game and just focus on copywriting thing only. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you get the value from the video, I will request you to please share this particular video to someone else who wants to hear this particular message. Thank you so much for watching this.